Here's another example of how you can use the Blockbusters step when you're trying to solve a Sudoku. It helps you get over some difficulties without having to write in those little numbers. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's an explanation video of what the Blockbusters step is. So you could go and watch that and then come and see this example that I've got for today, which is looking at this Sudoku here. In this Sudoku, we're looking at the middle row. So in the middle row, you can see we've got 7, 2 and 1. And there's a 1 in the middle square in the top row, so there'll be a 1 in the right square in the middle row. And so you see we'll have 7, 1 will be pairing. And so the first thing we've got to do is find out whether 7, 1 and 2 form a trio. But if we look at the top row of the middle square, there'd be a 7, 1 there, but there's a 2 in the top row of the right hand square, so we wouldn't have 7, 1, 2 in the middle square. So we don't have trios, which means we can use the pairs and singletons of the Blockbusters step. So what we notice is that 7 and 1 are going down and to the right. And if pairs are going down and to the right, then singletons are going up and to the right. So if you look at the 2 in the left hand square, that'll go up and to the right, so there would be 1 in the middle row in the middle square, and there is a 2 in the top row of the right hand square. So now we notice that if we look at the 8 in the left hand square, there's an 8 in the bottom row on the right hand square, which means that the 8 is going up and to the right. So there'll be an 8 in the top row of the middle square, and then that goes up and to the right, and there's an 8 in the bottom row of the right hand square. But if 8 is a singleton, then if we look at the left square, then 6 must be in a pair with something. And pairs are going down and to the right, which means that the 6 will go down and to the right. So there will be a 6 in the bottom row of the middle square. But because of that 6 further up, then that means there's only one place for the 6 to go. And so we can put it in that square. And that's how we would use the Blockbusters step to fill in one of the squares. And hopefully it will get us past that difficulty and we'll be able to finish the Sudoku. I managed to finish it off without having to fill in the little numbers, so give it a go, and I'll see you next time.